Hello guys, good evening. My name is Aakash Singh and I welcome you to Unacademy, and today's session is again for IT 402, but this session is a Menti quiz session जहाँ पर हम लोग practice करेंगे the most important questions which you can expect for your term 2 examinations. But before we start, please let me know in the chat if my voice is audible. अगर आपको screen पे ये marks दिख रहे हैं, if my voice is properly clear to you, क्योंकि हम लोग फिर Menti start करेंगे. Alright, just put a thumbs up in the chat. A quick check before we start the session. All right. Okay. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to go to menti.com and enter this code. अगर आप ये कोड वहां पर डालोगे तो आपका जो मेंटी क्विज है आप वो क्विज दे पाओगे. यू विल बी एबल टू टेस्ट कि आपने कितना प्रैक्टिस किया. ओके. सो क्विकली जल्दी से बता दो इफ माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल. You can put a thumbs up, you can like the video. हम लोग जल्दी से start करेंगे the most important MCQs which can come for your term 2 examinations. We for now know कि subjective type of examination होने वाला है, but some of the questions can be MCQ based and MCQ questions also test your knowledge. Okay, so the Menti code is on your screens. Good evening Riddhi. Good evening Rashati. Hello Shanaya. Okay. So before we start the quiz, till then you can join the quiz on menti.com. The QR code is given. You can scan using the app or you can also just go to the website menti.com and वहाँ पर आप अगर ये कोड डालोगे 90236224, you will be able to attend the quiz. ठीक है? So a quick introduction. My name is Aakash Singh. I'll be teaching computer science, IT 402 and AI on this channel. I'm a BTech from IIT Bombay, and if at any point of time अगर आपको कोई भी doubt आता है, you can definitely go ahead and ask me. Welcome Rudraksh. Good evening. Hello Rinku. All right. So the Telegram channel link is in front of you. आपको क्या करना है? अगर आप किसी भी ब्राउजर में जाओगे, you just have to write these things: t.me Aakash Singh without any space. Then there is an underscore Unacademy. अगर आप डालोगे तो आपके Telegram खुलेगा and you'll be joined to the Telegram channel जहाँ पर I'll be posting the schedule. I'll also be posting some notes and जो हमारे upcoming sessions है उसका एक properly timetable आपको भी मिल जाएगा. Okay. So this is the Menti QR code and this is the number which you have to enter. All right. So without any further delay, let me just begin. All right. Let me change the video. Okay. So are you guys able to see this? हम लोग start करेंगे. You can quickly join using the code 90236224. So this is the code where you can test कि आपने IT 402 के लिए जितना भी पढ़ा है आपने अच्छे से preparation की है. Is your term 2 preparation well enough or do you need more revision? We'll be starting with the revision series probably from February, but उससे पहले हमारा सारा syllabus खत्म हो जाएगा by the next week. Okay. So the code is 90236224. I hope you guys are able to see the screen properly or able to join. आपकी स्क्रीन पे 90236224 आएगा. Good evening Soeb, how are you? Good evening Shanaya. Menti comments. All right. So I've enabled the Menti comments. You can comment, but please make sure कि you do not spam. You do not use offensive language. अगर आपका IT 402 से related कोई भी comment है, you can definitely use that. We'll be starting with the quiz in probably 2 minutes. 2 minutes का वेट करते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग जल्दी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. There are around 27 questions. ज़्यादा questions नहीं है, but हमारा जितना भी अभी तक सिलेबस कंप्लीट हुआ है हम लोगों ने approximately 60 to 70% थ्योरी कवर कर लिया है from the chapter of DBMS. So now you might be thinking कि आपने अगर प्रिपरेशन किया है आपने कहाँ से किया है, depends. But for now I have covered 60 to 70% of the theory. All right, you can join the quiz using this code 90236224. Kanak, I have already created a playlist. I can share it with you. Let me just post the link of the playlist. All right, so in the chat box, I'm posting the link of the IT 402 playlist. You can go ahead and see it. Hello Tejaswi. Hello Rudraksh. Welcome Kanak. Okay. ठीक है. So should we start? Let's wait for about a minute more. उसके बाद हम लोग quickly start करेंगे. Doesn't matter if you're watching the recorded video, you can move ahead and watch the questions later on, but this is a live session, so ठीक है. Quickly let's find out. I hope you remember the DDL commands, DML commands. उसके ऊपर आएगा. हम लोगों ने रेफरेंशियल इंटेग्रिटी पढ़ा है एंड हम लोगों ने रिलेशंस पढ़ा है. सो देयर आर प्रोबेबली 4 टॉपिक्स जो आपको आने चाहिए. Okay. So is the screen visible to everyone? When will we do forms and reports? Forms and reports will be done by Monday. Monday को हम लोग forms and reports दोनों complete कर लेंगे. Okay, so Rudraksh is saying let's start. All right, so let's start the countdown. Later on people can join in. Okay, so the first question is on your screens. I hope you're able to see that. Which of the following command retrieves 0 or more rows from 1 or more tables? कौन सी कमांड आप यूज करके डेटा रिट्रीव करते हो, डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हो? द ऑप्शंस आर क्रिएट, इंसर्ट, सेलेक्ट एंड डिलीट. So what kind of a command is this? Is this DDL or DML? So I can see 5 people have given the right answer. Okay, so 63% till now. Let's see the next question. You will see the leaderboard. बीच बीच में आपको leaderboard दिखता रहेगा probably after every 2 or 3 questions. Let's see question number 2. A select command has one mandatory clause. Clause का मतलब होता है word या command. Which of the following clause is a mandatory clause for select command? कौन सा command आपको डालना ही पड़ेगा अगर आप select command यूज कर रहे हो? Update, from, where और order by. जब भी हम लोग select यूज करते हैं साथ में एक और word यूज करते हैं. You have to select that word. So yes, 6 people have given the right answer, 67%. Okay. From command आप यूज करते हो, कहां से आपको चीजें सेलेक्ट करनी है? तो जनरली हम लोग टेबल मेंशन करते हैं वहां पर. Looking at question number 3. So question number 3 on your screens. Easy, Rishati is saying the select command is which of the following category command? Is it DDL, is it DML, is it TCL or XML? You have to remember कि हर कमांड का फुल फॉर्म क्या है. अगर आपको उतना पता चल गया, you will be able to answer this. Data definition language, data manipulation language, TCL, transaction control language. Okay. So most of you said data manipulation language. It is not the right answer. DDL command होता है select. You can also say DQL, but generally हम लोग वो नहीं use करते हैं. It does not change the data, right? Okay, so looking at question number 4. Welcome Parth. Tanisha is saying wrong poll. Tanisha, it was the right poll. Data definition language is the right one. Which of the following is a valid relationships? One to one, one to many, many to one, or all of these? Which one of them could be the right answer? Hello Harshit. Okay, so one to many, many to one, all of these would be the right answer. सारे ही correct relationships हैं, हम लोगों ने देखा था अपने सेशन में. So 6 people got this right. All of these, 86%. Okay, good to see that. So now it is the time to see the scoreboard. I hope it loads fast. You have to wait for a moment. Sometimes Menti takes a bit of time to load the results. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I can see Kuttu is on the top, followed by Rudraksh, who gave the fastest answer. Someone is asking to identify who. Rushati, Atharva, Nishtha, Riddhi, Naman and Ribbit. Okay, so this is the leaderboard for now. We have still about 20 questions to go. So let's find out the questions. Yes, Harshit, Menti का server कभी-कभी slow होता है when too many people are joining the Menti. Good evening, Jimin's Jam. Nice name. Which of the following command is used to edit records through SQL view? We have to edit something. तो हम लोग कौन सा command use करते हैं? We use update. Update command use होता है. 3 people got this right. DML command है वो, if you remember, data manipulation language. Looking at question number 6. Let's see. Foreign key is one in which the dash of one relation is referenced in another relation. So probably we are talking about keys. कौन सी की होनी चाहिए? Foreign key, primary key, references और check constraint. Okay, so everyone gave the right answer. We had studied this in term 1, so probably आपको वहां से याद है. So this is the right answer. Primary key को reference करता है एक foreign key. Hello music desk, Hardik. Okay, so looking at question number 7 now. Which field is suitable for storing records of employees? अगर हमें records of employees store करने हैं, कौन सी field correct रहेगी? Employee number, employee name, salary, all of the above. I think the answer is all of the above. Let me just correct it. Just give me a moment to correct the answer. So this is how the Mentimeter website looks like when I make a presentation. Let's go ahead and quickly change the answer. कहाँ पर था वो? Which field is suitable, right? So I have to just change it from here to all of these, and now okay, we can present again. So let's quickly go back. Okay, so the right answer has been marked now. So all of the above is right. All right, so looking at the next question now. Rudraksh is saying wrong poll. I hope I have corrected that poll now. Question number 8 on your screens. Xbox. Yes, I have downloaded the Xbox app to play games. Auto value is a property of dash data type, numeric, character, binary और date. Okay, so auto value का मतलब होता है जैसे आपने नया record add किया तो number automatically increase हो जाता है. So what kind of data type is that? अगर आपको correct answer नहीं पता, you can use the elimination method. Okay, so numeric is the right answer for this question. Let's see the next question, or maybe before that, look at the leaderboard. No clue about this. So Rudraksh, I think you asked me a question कि automatically number कैसे increase हो गया when you added the record. That was the numeric data type. So Rudraksh is maintaining the lead now. So Kutu is probably on the second position, quite near to Rudraksh, followed by Rushati. Identify who I cannot identify. Naman, Riddhi, Nishtha, Atharv. Vroom is the fastest. Okay. And Ribbit. Is there any good alternative to BlueStacks? As you said, consume storage. Okay, let's have a look at this question, then I can answer your question, Rushati. There can be multiple primary keys in a table, so I think you should be able to answer this. Primary keys का 3 conditions होता है. I don't think there is a better alternative to BlueStacks because BlueStacks probably is the best out there, but let me just see if I can find a better emulator for you. False is the right answer to this. Please start IT for class 9th. Okay, Sakib, I will try to do that. Poonam, which question do you have a doubt in? Okay, which of the following will occupy more space in computer memory? So these are all the data types, big int, integer, small int और boolean. सबसे ज़्यादा space कौन से data type को लगेगा? Okay, so big int is actually the right answer. सबसे ज़्यादा space allot हो जाता है अगर आप big int डालते हो. अब small int भी होता है, normal int भी होता है. So I hope the name explains a lot. All right, rockers, gamers. Harshit, if I'm not wrong. So you can answer fast to get more points, but I would suggest you answer correctly first. Dash data types are used for storing photos, music files, etc. What kind of data type is that? If you remember, जो photos होती हैं, music files होती हैं, in a computer it is stored in the form of ones and zeros. और ones and zeros को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? We call them binary data type. So A is the right answer. Only 40% gave the right one. All right. So Rudraksh is on the leaderboard, followed by Kuttu. I think the third one is Tanisha, followed by Rushati, Nishtha, Naman, Riddhi, Vanshika, Atharv, and Nishi. Okay, I think I identified now. Okay, question number 13. Almost half of the question are done after this. I hope you are able to answer these questions properly, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ MCQs है. इसके बाद आपको subjective questions भी करने पड़ेंगे, but probably MCQs are more easier. In RDBMS, data is organized in the form of none of the above, record, field, or tables. This is the first session. Okay, tables is actually the right answer. RDBMS क्या होता है? Database Management System. जो database में data store होता है, it is in the form of tables. Okay, let's have a look. I can see Rudraksh is giving all correct answers. Even Kuttu, Tanisha, Rishati, Nishtha, Naman, Riddhi, Vanchika, Atharv and Niyam. Okay, so for question number 14 on your screens. Which data type is used to store value of fields like date of birth? अगर आपको किसी का date of birth store करना है या birthday store करना है, आप कौन सा data type use करोगे? Variable character, date, time, integer or something else? So okay, date time, everyone give the right answer. Yes, date time में आप store करोगे, क्योंकि वो data type में आप directly आप 9 जनवरी 11 फरवरी कोई भी date store कर सकते हो directly. Question number 15. A record in a table is also known as attribute. तो हम लोग record को और क्या क्या बोलते हैं? Attributes क्या होते हैं? You have to remember that. The answer should be in true and false. I think everyone has voted. Is not known as an attribute. It is not actually known as an attribute. Attribute is something else. But Rudraksh, let's see who gave the right answer. I think Tanisha, Rushati and Nishi gave the right answers to this. So the leaderboard has changed. Rudraksh is maintaining the lead, followed by Tanisha, Kuttu. Rushati gave the fastest answer, followed by Nishtha, Naman, Riddhi, Vanchika, Nishi and Niyam. Okay. So maybe later on if you're not able to answer the questions correctly, एक बार आप recording देख सकते हो बाद में before your exams. Question number 16 on your screens. Referential integrity is used to maintain accuracy and consistency of data in a relationship. So I think we studied this yesterday कि referential integrity क्या होता है, and I'm glad that 12 people gave the right answer. ठीक है, so that was understood. It was a basic definition of referential integrity. Okay, so in base, data can be linked between two or more tables with the help of primary key, foreign key, primary and foreign key, or none of the above. We had discussed this in yesterday's session. Also, guys, you can join the Telegram group. I have pinned the link in the chat. अगर आपको schedule चाहिए for IT 402 for any class 10th and 9th. Okay, so the right answer for this is primary and foreign key both. दोनों ही use होते हैं. Without primary key your relation will not work, and without foreign key your relation will not work. So primary and foreign key both are required. I know you might be confused here कि foreign key use कर सकते हैं, but both are the right answer. Okay, question number 18 out of 26 on your screens right now. After this session, if you have doubt कि कैसे पढ़ना है या maybe you have difficulties in DDL, DML, I can take up the doubts after this session. Relationship can be created between two tables only, one table only, two or more tables, or none of the above. जब हम relationships create करते हैं between the tables, what is the number of tables which we can use? Okay, two or more tables, C is the right answer. आप more than two tables के बीच में relationships create कर सकते हो. Let's see, question number 19 of 26. There are dash types of relationship which can be created between tables. How many types of relationships did we study last time? 3, 2, 4 or infinite? So probably you might be thinking the questions are easy, but they're only easy if you have revised the concepts, because it gets confusing if you have not. Okay, so A3 is the right answer. There are three types of relationships: one-to-one, one-to-many and many-to-one, and many-to-many. Question number 20 out of 26. Poonam did not understand. Poonam, we studied about the number of relationships. If you watch the playlist जो मैंने share किया था, I can again share the playlist link. you can go to this playlist and see whatever sessions we have covered. अगर आपने कोई भी theory part missing है, अभी तक पढ़ा नहीं, you can go there and study it. So yes, we cannot modify the structure of tables. It is okay. Looking at this question, I'll have to correct this. Let's see, let's go back there. The correct answer is actually false, क्योंकि आप edit कर सकते हो फिर से. Let's go to the presentation. Going down, let's find out which question. Okay, so this was the question. The correct answer should be false. Okay, so I think I have corrected that. Let's go back to the presentation now. Rudraksh was shocked. So false is the right answer to this. आप even after creating the tables आपने सब data डाल दिया है. अगर आपको उसमें extra column add करना है, for example आपके पास student table है, you have name, roll number and marks. अगर आपको एक और कॉलम ऐड करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर जेंडर और फॉर एड्रेस, यू कैन डू दैट. ठीक है, दैट वाज द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो लीडर बोर्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर स्क्रीन्स. So I think Rudraksh gave the fastest answer and is on the top, followed by I think Tanisha, Rushiti, Kuttu, Nishtha, Naman, Riddhi, Vanchika, Nishi and Niyam. ठीक है, so question number 21 now. Looking on your screens, you will find the question. Sorting means to arrange data in dash order. So this is not only an IT 402 question. I think everyone will be able to answer this. Sorting का मतलब क्या होता है? Increasing order, decreasing order, both or none of the above. Everyone should be able to answer this correctly. Vanchika, leaderboard last में भी आएगा. So C is the right answer. I think I do not need to explain why. Data can be sorted in ascending as well as descending. So both of them were right. Okay, primary key increases data redundancy. Data redundancy का मतलब हम लोगों ने term 1 में पढ़ा था. Data duplicacy होता है उसका मतलब. Does primary key increase the duplicacy of data? What is the function of primary key? If you can think about that. So the answer should be, I think, false, right? And why have, so false is the right answer to this. Data redundancy का मतलब है data duplicacy. अगर आप primary key use कर रहे हो, it in no sense increases the duplicacy of data. Data हमेशा unique रहता है using the primary key. So again, Rudraksh, Tanisha, Kuttu, Rushiti, Nistha, Naman and Riddhi with the right answers. With Rudraksh even the fastest one. To set unique records, yes. Question number 23 out of 26 now on your screens. Queries are commands that are used to define the structure and modify data in a table. So please have a look at the statement. Is the statement right or is it false? What are queries? If you remember, हम लोगों ने DDL और DML पढ़ा है. We are talking about DDL and DML here. Yes, we had talked about redundancy in the first term. So true is the right answer to this question. Queries से आप tables create कर सकते हो, उसमें columns add कर सकते हो, reduce कर सकते हो. Also you can change the data, you can update the data, you can delete the data. So that's what queries are used for. Question number 24. All right, let's have a look what the question is. Which of the following is suitable to act as a primary key in table student? You have to identify the primary key out of these: roll number, name, class and section. So probably very easy if you have already studied SQL. If not, you can try to see सबसे unique value किसकी होगी. So I think the answer should be A. Okay, Rudraksh is talking about DQL. So roll number is the right answer. रोल नंबर से आप यूनिकली कोई भी रिकॉर्ड आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज रोल नंबर कभी भी डुप्लीकेट नहीं होता. Easiest, yes. Okay, so this is what the leaderboard looks like now. So not much change in the leaderboard, but later on if you have answered a question wrong, अगर आपने कोई भी question wrong किया है, later on before your term 2 examinations, make sure that you watch this video so that it is a good revision for you. Okay, so second last question on your screens right now. All right. The symbol asterisk in a select query retrieves. When we studied the asterisk sign, what did we understand? Data of primary keys only, all data from the table, null data, or none of the mentioned. Hello Anamika. Okay, so let's see what the right answer to this is. जब भी हम लोगों ने asterisk use किया, not only in SQL but in any coding language, अगर हम लोग asterisk use करते हैं, इसका मतलब होता है you have to select all, basically control plus A. ठीक है, so let's go ahead and look at the leaderboard. So I can see a bit of a change. Last 3 positions में शायद change होगा, नहीं हुआ. So Rushiti gave the fastest answer, Rudraksh maintaining the lead, followed by Tanisha and Kuttu. ठीक है. So this is the last question. Probably let's see how many questions were you able to answer correctly. Hello Janvi. In the following query, how many rows will be deleted? The query is delete student where student ID is equal to 109. So one row will be deleted. All the rows where student ID is equal to 109. No row will be deleted, or 2 rows. So now it is a logical question. Someone said 1 row, but the answer is all the rows where student ID is 109. We have not mentioned कि student ID is a primary key or not. The table can be anything, right? जहाँ जहाँ पर student ID 109 है, वहाँ पर आपका जो data है वो delete हो जाएगा. All right, last question, misclick. So this was the last question, and the leaderboard looks like this. Top 3 will be getting certificates in the Telegram group. So congratulations Rudraksh, I know you have been studying a lot and it feels nice that you've been preparing well. Followed by Kuttu, and I think Tanisha, Rushiti, Nishtha, Naman, Riddhi, Vanchika, Niyam and Pratibha. All right. So let's go ahead, and if you guys have any kind of doubts, you can go ahead and ask me now. I'll be taking up a few doubts. Also next week onwards हम लोग web application start कर रहे हैं, so that in January your syllabus will be completed. Also if there is anyone from computer applications course code 165, आपके लिए भी ये जो topic है वो common ही है. And for CA 165 I'll be starting HTML also by the midweek, next midweek. Important for 165, the course code 165 computer applications, जो IT 402 कोर्स है and जो कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस का कोर्स है, उसमें जो एक यूनिट वेब एप्लीकेशंस एंड नेटवर्किंग इज एक्चुअली कॉमन, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक स्टार्ट करेंगे. ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल ऑल्सो बिगिन आवर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस. हम लोग क्वेश्चनर्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इन फॉर्म ऑफ MCQs, fill in the blanks, whatever is possible using the polls, only on Unacademy app. So you can use this code whenever you feel like joining the session, अगर आपको IT 402 के लिए पढ़ना है तो. Okay, certificate नहीं मिला, so Vanchika, top 3 will be getting certificates for now. All right, so if you don't have any doubts, YT on app. Okay, so the YouTube sessions will cover the theory part. All right, as I said, जो web applications है उसका जो भी थ्योरी हम लोग यूट्यूब पे फर्स्ट करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट द रिविजन बोथ ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल एज अनअकैडमी द ऐप. ओके, यू वेलकम रिद्धि. सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस, यस सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस रुशति, आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ PDF विद यू वेयर यू कैन प्रैक्टिस योर सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस. टेलीग्राम पर सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, यस पूनम. ऑलराइट, सो इफ यू फील लाइक आपका यूट्यूब कई सेशंस जो हो रहे हैं उससे आपको बहुत बेनिफिट हो रहा है, इफ यू आर लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स, यूट्यूब इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेस टू स्टडी. बट इफ यू लुक एट अनअकैडमी, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स मिलते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. लाइक यू गेट द स्टडी मटेरियल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका कोई भी सेशन हो रहा है यूट्यूब पे, आपको PDF के लिए वापस किसी लिंक पे क्लिक करना पड़ता है, बट ऑन अनअकैडमी ऐप यू गेट इट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द सेशन. यू कैन वॉच रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस ऑल्सो. यू गेट एन ऑप्शन ऑफ चूजिंग फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स. आपकी प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट्स होते हैं, आपके लाइव टेस्ट सीरीज होते हैं, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली यू हैव बैच कोर्सेज. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट बैच कोर्सेज आर. ऑल्सो अगर आपको प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन आपको खरीदना है, यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर 12 months. ऑल्सो करेंटली देयर इज एन ऑफर गोइंग ऑन. So I hope you remember the code. Every educator on Unacademy has a special code. My code happens to be ask01. That means you can ask me doubts. Okay? अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो तो आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलता है apart from that you also get 3 months completely free. So अगर आप 12 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो, अगर आप 12 months से ज़्यादा का कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो, यू आर गेटिंग 3 months completely free of cost. And if you look at this, जैसे आप ड्यूरेशन बढ़ाते हो, it is inversely proportional to the cost per month. So अगर आप ज़्यादा लंबा आप ड्यूरेशन लोगे सब्सक्रिप्शन का, तो आपका कॉस्ट है वो इमीडिएटली रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. ऑल राइट, सो एज आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट बैचेस, बैचेस क्या होता है, आपका जो वीकली टाइम टेबल है वो एक्चुअली फिक्स हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका जो मैथमेटिक्स का टाइम फिक्स हो जाएगा, हिंदी का, SST, इंग्लिश एंड साइंस, एंड दिस इज फॉर क्लास 9th एज वेल एज फॉर क्लास 10th ऑल्सो. अगर आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, यू विल बी एबल टू एनरोल योर सेल्फ इन ऑल दीज बैचेस, यू विल बी एबल टू गेट योर डाउट सॉल्व्ड. आपके कंटिन्यूस टेस्ट्स होते हैं, आपको एक रिपोर्ट कार्ड भी मिलता है and how you're performing. Okay, all right, so अगर मैंने इस सेशन में कुछ गलत पढ़ा है, I hope not. If you want to report anything, the link is in the bio. You can report it directly to Unacademy. Vanchika is asking PT3. What is PT3? I do not know. And instead of solving the question paper for you, I can help you solve it. Rishiti has a doubt. Explain the difference between update, alter, and modify. All right, Rishiti. So, can you tell me what are the DDL commands and what are the DML commands? Vanchika is requesting. I do not know, Vanchika, what PT3 is. All right, so Unacademy Combat test happens every Sunday at 11 AM. You can use this code to enroll yourself. Now, अगर आप ये test देते हो, it is completely free of cost. What happens is you're getting a plus subscription completely free. Periodic test 3. All right. So Vanchika, you can send the question paper in the Telegram group or maybe join in one of the sessions on Unacademy. What you can do is you can go search for my name, Aakash Singh, on Unacademy. Over there in the doubt section, whenever I take a class, you can post your doubts. I'll be able to help you there. Okay. DML is data manipulation language. All right. Now let's look at what Prodigy is. Prodigy is a test for class 7 to 9 learners. This test will happen on January 23, 29, Feb 6 and Feb 13. So now you have 4 ways, in 4 times you can attempt the test from 12 to 1 PM. It is only mental ability. आपको कोई भी आपका syllabus के according नहीं पढ़ना है, आपको सिर्फ अपना mental ability use करना है उस test में. On January 23rd, 29th, February 6th and February 13th. So what happens is if you get all these ranks, अगर आपको rank 1 आया, you will be getting Apple products. For rank 2 and 3, rank 4 and 5, rank 6 to 40 will be getting Amazon Echo Dot, and rest of them will be getting Amazon vouchers. So Rudraksh, the session for computer vision is scheduled for tomorrow again, because the reason is computer vision has 2 parts, convolution and CNN. Both of these sessions will happen tomorrow because they are actually codependent. All right, so as I was talking about the benefits of using this code ask01, as I told you, अगर आप 12 months से ज़्यादा का subscription ले रहे हो, you're getting 3 months free, right? And for Iconic, let's talk about Iconic after this. Iconic का subscription अगर आप लोगे तो आपको 6 months free मिलेगा. As I was talking about Iconic, आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स होता है दैट यू गेट अ पर्सनल मेंटर जो आपके डाउट सॉल्विंग करता है, हु हेल्प्स यू शेड्यूल योर सेशंस, राइट? आपको वीकली रिपोर्ट कार्ड भी दिया जाता है कि आपने परफॉर्मेंस कैसा किया है, आपको स्टडी प्लानर भी अवेलेबल रहता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न कोडिंग एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट समथिंग नोन एज क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर इज वेयर यू कैन लर्न डिफरेंट थिंग्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस. प्रतिभा इज आस्किंग क्लास 11th को कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ाते हो? नॉट एज ऑफ इट, बट प्रतिभा यू कैन डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन इन एनी ऑफ दीज सेशंस ऑन अनअकैडमी. आप अनअकैडमी पे मेरा नाम सर्च करो, माय नेम इज आकाश सिंह. इन दो सेशंस यू कैन आस्क मी डाउट्स. अगर आपको क्लास 11th में डाउट है, क्लास 10th में डाउट है, आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दोस. समर्थ, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो चैप्टर है, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट. व्हाट आई विल डू इज, सो टिल नाउ वी हैव कवर्ड पार्ट बी. पार्ट बी आई होप यू नो सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स होता है. I will add part A also in this playlist, okay? All right, Iconic का pricing is a bit more as compared to Plus. That is because you're getting extra features like personal mentor. आपको timetable दिया जाता है, आपकी live doubt solving होती है. Also, you can learn coding. That's why it's a bit more costlier than Plus. But still, using this code, you can reduce the cost to 2,000 rupees per month. And as you increase the duration, it is inversely proportional to the cost per month. Also, as I said, using this code gives you 6 months free subscription. अब ओवर 12 मंथ्स, अगर आप 12 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो तो आपको 6 मंथ्स फ्री मिलेगा ऑफ क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर में आप एक्स्ट्रा चीजें सीखते हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस. ऑलराइट, so as I was talking about free special class, please you can join me in any of the free special class that is happening on Unacademy. मेरी प्रोफाइल का लिंक is in the bio of this video. If you go there, you can attend any of my special classes. If you have doubts in any of the subjects from class 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th related to computer science, I will be trying to help you out. So this is how it looks like. Educator video ऐसा होता है. The chat box is like this. There is no spamming at all. You can ask your questions directly. Also हम लोग polls भी create कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर, so that there is an MCQ in every class. All right. All right. So this was it for today's session. I hope to see you in upcoming sessions on YouTube and as well as Unacademy. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then,